It is not mealtime, but my dog is pressuring me to make this video. This is Taste of the Wild with Ancient Grains. Now, a lot of Taste of the Wild stuff is grain-free, and we have tried a lot of it, but I actually love the Ancient Grains, Ancient Prairie version. Sorry, I'm showing it to you in this container here because it is so heavy. This is the 28-pound bag. This one in particular has roasted venison and roasted bison. And my doggo has allergies, so this has been a great option, and she goes nuts for it. I'm going to give her a mini meal here, just so you can see how she goes for this stuff. Oh yeah. We've tried a lot of the Taste of the Wild varieties. It doesn't give her any trouble. That makes us all really happy. That's good, huh? The list of ingredients in this is phenomenal. Taste of the Wild does a really good job of balancing out taste. I really recommend this stuff if you're thinking of trying something that's not so much big box brand, but also isn't grain-free.